Law responds to society's needs. And while space law has been a thing since the early days of Sputnik and the Apollo program, it's only recently that humanity has entered space in a more commercial way. Space is having an impact on so many aspects of everyday life. Most people don't even realise it's there. From the global positioning system that you use in your phone to Earth observation, watching out for bushfires that might form in remote areas, even down to tracking cattle on a farmer's property. There's incredible utility in space. So as lawyers advise people who are working in these industries, they need to understand these issues. They need to be able to draft the contracts having regard to the complexities and the differences that exist when it comes to operating in a space environment. The Professional Certificate in Space Law is a postgraduate degree offered by Adelaide. It gives students a chance to get a deep dive into space law, which is an area that you don't tend to encounter in your undergraduate degree too much. In the Professional Certificate of Space Law, students do two subjects. In the Strategic Space Law subject, students learn about the international space law framework for space law and the geopolitical issues that impact on this area of practice. In commercial space law, students learn about the commercial issues facing space law, which are highly relevant given the increasing commercial presence in space. The subjects in a Professional Certificate in Space Law are offered as intensive subjects. That's really beneficial to a person who's already working. It's very easy to take a week off and immerse yourself in the course. The assessment for the course is 2 research assignments, and you get to choose the topics of those assignments, so you can really delve into an area that you want to explore and that's meaningful for you. Students in the course came from a variety of backgrounds, some from defence, some from government, some from overseas, some from private practice and some from industry. People who approach law from different backgrounds and think about it in different ways. And so all of those individual perspectives really lend to a better understanding of the subject matter of space law by hearing what everyone else has to say. The Professional Certificate in Space Law is only offered by Adelaide. There's great lecturers here at the university who've had some genuine experience in space law. I've always loved space, but I never thought the opportunity would come up in Australia. But with the way the world has changed and the way law has changed, space law is now a thing, and I'm so glad to be part of it.